Hello everyone, today I'll walk you through 7 tips on how to renovate a bathroom for wheelchair or walkers. I'll share 2 design concepts and budget information, as well as why you should not go cheap. This video is fairly long, I would recommend you save the video for future viewing, and subscribe to the channel for more content. This is a real case from one of our clients. Their daughter fell seriously ill and now require a wheelchair, while the father also needs a mobility walker. These changes these changes have brought significant challenges to their family. Looking at the photo on the right, you can see the current bathroom layout is very compact. Just inside the door, there's a wall and the storage area, followed by the bathtub and the sink. The door is only 24 inches wide, which is far too narrow for a wheelchair. While the bathroom overall is in decent shape with newer vanity and tiles, these features are still far from wheelchair friendly. The client's daughter hasn't been able to bathe at home for 4 years because the bathtub is too tall and too wide for her to use independently. To make the bathroom more functional, we plan the following changes, marked in red. First, we widen the door to 34 inches to allow wheelchair access. The standard minimum width is 32 inches, but I recommend 34 inches, as a 32-inch doorway requires careful maneuvering so that the wheelchair is directly perpendicular to the door, which is pretty difficult when you're trying to just get in and out of your bathroom. A wider door allows the wheelchair user to get in and out more easily. 2 will replace a bathtub with a curbless shower that is fully waterproof, allowing the family to bathe safely at home. 3. We swap the sink for a floating countertop by removing the wooden cabinet underneath. This allows the wheelchair user to brush their teeth comfortably and prevents the water from damaging the wood. The area beneath the sink should have a clearance of 27 inches in height and 25 inches in depth, while the countertop should be no higher than 34 inches from the floor. 4. We install a waterproof outlet behind the toilet for automatic bidet seat. This provides independence for users when the caregivers aren't available. 5. We leave at least 5 feet of turning radius in the bathroom so wheelchairs can rotate freely. 6. We add the grab bars marked in black all around the bathroom. The grab bars will vary in different height depending on where they are. The walls would also need to be reinforced at these locations to give support to the grab bars. 7. We adjust the height of faucet, shower head, switches, and outlets to be more closely accessible to a wheelchair when they're in the seated position. These changes require a full remodel of the bathroom floor and walls, with comprehensive waterproofing for all the yellow marked walls and the entire floor. The budget is estimated to be between $30,000 to $35,000 plus tax. If this video was helpful at all, please consider leaving a like and share it with someone you know. 2 clicks would really help the channel grow and reach more people looking for the same information. I really appreciate it. If space allows, another option is to relocate the bathroom door to the wall that leads to the adjacent room. This would provide more room for the wheelchair movement. Although this requires rerouting the plumbing and electrical work for the sink, the added costs are minimal. This option allows the bathroom to connect directly to a bedroom, making it an ensuite. And the door should swing outwards, so that 1. We increase the space inside the bathroom, but 2. We also prevent the inward swinging door from getting blocked if the wheelchair user were to fall. I understand such a renovation can be costly for many families. However, I strongly advise against choosing an unqualified contractor just to save money. Poor workmanship can result in a bathroom that doesn't function properly, wasting your investment and causing even more problems. For instance, one client hired a cheap contractor without understanding the risks. After the project was completed, they discovered the bathroom floor wasn't waterproof at all. As you can see in the picture, they just used the existing floor. Worse, the shower area was actually higher than the dry area, causing the water, instead of flowing down to the drain, to flow onto the dry area without any waterproofing whatsoever. The entire bathroom became unusable, and they had to redo everything. Unfortunately, once the budget contractor figured out this wasn't the proper way to do things, they stopped answering their phones. When a family faces sudden illness and overwhelming medical expenses, their financial situation is often already fragile. In such a vulnerable state, families may be tempted by lower prices. But I want to stress this. Especially when you're seeking help, it's even more important to hire a responsible and skilled contractor. You simply cannot afford the financial and emotional cost of being deceived. With health challenges adding uncertainty to life, families are already under significant economical and emotional stress. Any renovation mistake will only make the situation worse. When designing an accessible bathroom, precision is key, from waterproofing, floor layout, to the overall design. Inexperienced contractors will fail to deliver the necessary quality. Considering the safety and well-being for your loved ones, this is not an area where you can afford to cut corners. If you need help with bathroom renovations, reach out to a professional team. Ensure your project is done right the first time, giving you peace of mind for years to come.